Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from O'Reilly Media here on the show floor at OSCON 2011. I'm here with Chris Kemp, the CEO and founder of Nebula. Chris, you had a really exciting launch this morning. Can you take us through a little bit of what went on?
Sure. So this morning at the opening keynote, we launched our new company and our new product. We're actually taking some incredible open source technology. We're bringing it together in an appliance. It's actually a piece of hardware that you can plug in an entire cabinet full of the really inexpensive servers like the Open Compute platform that Facebook has over at their booth, and you can create an elastic compute cloud, turnkey. So it's literally a fire and forget, just buy a box, turn it on, and you get EC2 S3 compatible standards-oriented compute. We're delivering OpenStack to the enterprise.
So this is not your first OSCON though, right? And so
Yeah.
Walk me through a little bit about how you guys got here.
So actually I was here last year. I just left my post as the CTO for IT at NASA, and I was here last year with Lou Morman, the president of Rackspace, and we launched OpenStack from the same stage where we launched Nebula this morning.
Okay, and so what are all the technologies combined with Nebula?
Sure. So the first thing we're doing is we're taking OpenStack, and we're taking some of the areas where we need to strengthen it for security management, and we're putting it in a box, and then we're giving everyone a 10 gigabit Ethernet fabric. So you're able to take really inexpensive servers, plug them right in, they power up, and depending on whether they have lots of hard disks in them or lots of CPU and memory in them, they get provisioned as compute and storage fabric within a compute cloud. So we're able to just give you a turnkey private enterprise cloud environment based on OpenStack and open standards.
Excellent. So after your launch, what's the conversation been like in your booth with people that are coming by?
Well, as you can see, it's been super busy all day. Everybody's really interested to see what's in the box. And what we like to say is open source technology. I mean, it's really a straight up OpenStack. We've enhanced it in certain areas. We've configured it in a way that we can support it. But what's really exciting about the whole platform is all the developers here at OSCON are going to participate in its success. They're going to drive the innovation in the software. And now we're super excited about the Open Compute project because for the first time at OSCON, we have a really mainstream open source hardware opportunity. And so I'm really excited about getting everybody here, starting to work on hardware, hack on hardware, start to shape the future of the data centers and the computers that power the cloud.
So what's the easiest way to get going for a developer?
So today, come to www.nebula.com. Where we have lots of information. We have a white paper we're going to be putting out. You can learn more about the platform. The easiest way is to go download OpenStack, because if OpenStack works for you in a lab, our product can allow you to get up and running in your data center and in a supported fashion very quickly.
Excellent. So 2 years, 2 different launches. What's up for next year? Are you going to be here at OSCON?
Next year we will, and I hope we're going to be here in a big way. We're still going to be recruiting developers. This community is incredibly important to us. But next year, I think what I'm excited about is talking about customers. Some of the customers are going to be solving some of the world's grand challenges on this platform. I mean, what we're doing here is we're taking the kind of web scale infrastructure that powers elite internet companies down in Silicon Valley, and we're democratizing it. We're making it available to every company in the world. And what's going to be amazing about that is the innovation that will happen in biotech and energy, in industries that we can't even imagine how they could use a Google scale infrastructure.
Excellent. So this is Google scale infrastructure for
the rest of us. I mean, it's really internet scale, web scale. There's a lot of words you can use to describe it, but it's the same kind of approach. Using commodity hardware, using open source software, we're packaging it in a way that every business can consume. And I think that's really what's unique here, and we're supporting it.
Excellent. Well, Chris, I wish you well and hope to see you here next year.
Yeah, we'll be here. Thank you
Thanks.
again. Cheers.